Going? Okay, hold on. Yo, kid.
Yo.
What is that? Is that a goat?
Oh yeah, that's our new mascot, KSI Zion. It's a pet goat.
What the hell's he doing?
I don't know, he's
shit,
taking
this
my
guy's
grass or
asleep.
something.
No way.
Nah,
We got a goat in our
party.
room. Listen to this guy snoring. Zon, when you wake up today, buddy, you're going to be edited and you're going to be on YouTube.
See you on YouTube, buddy.
Now let's take him to a game with him snoring and let's just push him around. What's a good? Let me see. I got a good map. Let's push him around snoring. You want to?
Okay. You should take him into a ranked game.
No. I got one right here.
If somebody doesn't fail it.
Oh, if somebody fails it, just leave. Zion. What? You
said you want to play elongation?
Yes, Zion. We want to play that.
You ain't right.
There's a buzz on a treetop.
When the wind blows.
King of the hill.
The cradle of the box. When we find
Everybody
Zion,
find
we're gonna
Zion.
push him around.
Lost the lead.
And here we go together. We're just going up to Zion.
Wait, he must be warm. I hear his snoring.
He's around here somewhere.
He's on red side.
Oh, look, there's Zion.
Let's all push him down the hole.
Let's push him down the hole.
Watch him take off.
Zion went down the hole. Stop pushing me, bully.
Zion,
Bye, buddy.
Bye,
See ya.
Zion. We'll miss you.
Bye. See you, buddy. I'm coming with you.
To the hole!
Game over.
And all you hear in the end of this montage is... Cut it off.
The final goat.
The leader of this montage is...
Dude, edit that and put it on YouTube. KSI Snore.
Guys, brought to you quiet for a second. Brought to you by the letter